there! Welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a princess crown. So here you can see that I'm using my pencil to draw the princess crown. At the beginning you have to draw a circle. I will be drawing few more circles. Let's connect. I'm drawing some more circles. Wow! Here's a heart shape, diamond shape, Now let's do the outline. To do the outline, I'm using my black pen. Let's clean all the extra pencil marks. For the coloring, I'm using my yellow pen. And now I'm using my orange pen. I'm using a little bit of brown pen. For the heart shape, I'm using my red pen. I'm using my pink pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.